We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me new watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with ISIG, and this stock is in the top short squeeze scores. We're going to break it down in today's video. We're going to look at Ultimate 42 Vision and 42 Vision as well, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. You will be surprised which one of these landed on our list, and we caught it pretty early on in the pre-market near $14 before it took off even higher. So stick around for that, and we're going to talk about here with ISIG everything that's going on. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to break everything down here within the charts. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, ISIG and LGVN. Now we've hit home runs with these before, and today they were setting up as an opportunity. So LGVN missed home run territory by 2%. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, had strength on 42 Vision, consolidated, and gave a highest point of 18% plus. Now, we caught ISIG in the pre-market as well under a bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, full strength on 42 Vision, consolidated towards the bell, and took off for about a 30 to 40% move from when I mentioned it after the bell in just a few minutes. Consolidated, had a few jumps, but the highest point of the day since we mentioned it in the pre-market to the highest peak was 50% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And let's jump into these charts. So here we are with ISIG, Insignia Systems Inc. Now this stock took off after consolidating for a few days, and today on Ultimate 42 Vision, it was under a bull indicator on the 30-minute. And if we put the 5-minute, it was under a bull indicator all day towards those highs of nearly 50% plus when we caught it in the pre-market. But from the lows to the highs, that was nearly 120% plus, guys. This was phenomenal, and this was beyond expectations. So if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below, and you can now gain access to the 42 Vision indicator as well. The link is down below to the 42 Vision indicators in the description, and by joining, you'll gain access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets to receive the clarity you deserve within the charts, guys. Check it out if you haven't already, and if you're a first-time viewer, you're definitely going to want to check it out. Every single member is loving it and maximizing on opportunities every single day. So ISIG was moving upwards, guys. Now it's kind of slowed down, but we want to talk about what's going on because this is the top short squeeze score, and if we go over to the 4-hour, it has been shifted from a bear indicator to a bull indicator. And even though this candle here is pretty small, we want to watch it carefully because the next one either could face down and it could destroy the momentum and it could start going downwards, and we'll have to see if a bear indicator pops up, or it could be a healthy pullback before the next leg up since the pressure is on, because the shorts have been trapped on this one. You could see it based off the direction of the charts and how it's holding up. But the next thing we want to see is for this bull indicator to remain strong on the 4-hour, and we get a big candlestick to the upside and break through these resistance levels of $22, $23, creating that right there support that we need, because this is where a rejection happened at $23.18, $23.20. And based off the history of the chart, that is a pivotal moment that we want to see this create a support level, guys. We want a support level up here so that the bulls can bounce off of it, reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and take this even further. And the last time this squeeze, you could see it went all the way from $4 to $35. I'm not here to state that that's going to be the same case, but If this squeeze is forming, it could just be beginning, and it could probably have another leg up before this week ends. Now, if the momentum fades pretty fast tomorrow, that's going to be something to watch, and we're going to talk about support levels here as well in this chart, and we're going to look at the short squeeze data in just a moment. But let's go back to the chart and look at here some of the key levels we want to be aware of for support. So the first support level I would be watching is down here at 1740. If that gets broken through, the next point of reference would be down here at $13. But since that's a far stretch, I would even narrow it down to $15. So I would be watching how it reacts between right now $18 to $17.40, and how it reacts between $17.40 and $15.80, and look and see if the bulls within these levels can actually create some form of support and bounce back up to neglect the downward pressure. Now, the other thing too, on the 30-minute, I will be watching above these bars if a bull indicator gets negated by a bear indicator popping up. That is something that's very key to be watching on Ultimate 42 Vision moving forward as this continues to play out. But it's showing a lot of strength from $11 to $18. Whatever it pulls back, if no bear indicator pops up and it holds up pretty strong above $15 and some change, it could actually create a pullback, right? And a setup for another bull run. Okay, that's what I like to call those, setups for another bull run. These pullbacks are not setbacks, if not setups for the next bull run, as more of these shorts get trapped. So let's look at the short data together and see why there's a possibility of more strength here as we see it in the charts. And if this pulls back a bit, it could turn out to be an opportunity as long as no bear indicators pop up and weakness does not overextend, because this is pretty strong when you think about it. From $11 to $18, that's a $7 move. That is nearly a 70% plus move. Now, let's go ahead and look here at the short interest data. So it's the number one on the short squeeze score. It took BFRI spot. It has a borrow fee rate of 210, 99.51 short squeeze score. And the short interest, guys, this is insane. 61%. Days to cover is a little bit low, giving some flexibility to the shorts. That's the other thing I'm going to be watching, if they start trying to manipulate this, or if there's more shorts that got trapped up here that are going to turn this back up even higher as they start covering. Okay, super important to keep that in mind and watch that carefully. Now, when I come back over to the short interest data, you could see that the days to cover, yes, 43, 61%, and the short share volume ratio is 47%. If we go back to the history here, you could see that it's been going downwards in the last several days. It got a little bit higher yesterday, and today it went down. If this number keeps going lower, that is going to be a super important thing to watch. But something that I'm noticing very interesting enough is that the last updated 3 minutes ago, short share availability is 0. How is it that it's 0 if we covered all of this, right? Like, the shorts have covered this. There's bulls that made this run, but shorts have covered. So we've seen shorts get the pressure, right? If you actually have these locks unlocked, you could see throughout the day how much it's jumping back and forth from 0. You know why? Because the days to cover is so low. It gives them that flexibility. And you could see it in the chart that the amount that is 0 is because all the covering that happened here is the same shorts trying to short this right back down. And this is why tomorrow I will be watching this very carefully for a bear indicator and how this pullback reacts, if it's a setup for the next bull run or if it's going to be a continuation of weakness and the shorts are taking advantage of the days to cover being so low. This is definitely one to be watching tomorrow and the rest of this week. If this momentum continues, this short interest float, 61%, is huge. And also, when you look at the short shares availability at 0 and the stock went up this much, some covering happened and they're reshorting it, and you could see the reaction there as well. This is definitely going to be one that everyone's watching. We caught this one early on in the morning. If you want to join us and catch these opportunities, we strive for them every single day. Join us to get on early every single morning in the pre-market. Check out the link down below to the Discord. And if you want to receive clarity in the charts, check out the 42 Vision Indicator. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.